Guys, good afternoon. Welcome to my vlog. I'm here in the school. I just dropped Easter in school. Very hot outside. So hot outside the house. But now the hot temperature is dry. It's not humid. It's not humid. My glasses is not making noise. So hot. This hot temperature, I think, until first week of September. So, very hot. The sun is so hot. Burning my skin. This street is between Cornice Street and Khalifa.